This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how I structure my videos to make them go viral. It's super important that you pay attention throughout the video, because there are things that nobody explains, and there are things that you need to understand well and apply. Before we begin, I want to let you know that there's a link in the description where you can join my Discord server for free. If you have any problems or questions about organic TikTok, we are there to help. Now, let's get started. The first and most important point is retention. What is retention? It's the percentage of people who watch your video all the way through. But why is retention so important? Basically, we know that platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all social media are free to use. Users can register and use them without spending money. So far, so good. But they need to make money somehow. How? The answer is simple: ads. The longer you stay on the app, the more money they will make because you'll see more ads. So if you have a video with good retention, TikTok and other platforms will generate more traffic to your video simply because the user will stay on the app longer. And that's in their best interest because they'll make more money. Obviously, it's not the same to retain someone for 3 seconds as it is to retain them for 3 minutes. TikTok takes this into account. The parameters I recommend for dropshipping are a minimum of 6 seconds and a maximum of 25 seconds. A minimum of 6 seconds because if it is less, TikTok will ban you. More than 25 seconds will make it hard for people to watch the entire video, especially if it's about a product. Let me give you an example. In the case of the pig, I had more than enough time with 6 seconds to show you what the pig does, what its function is, and what the pig is all about. Now, I'm making videos for products that require 20 or 25 seconds to explain their purpose. You have to assess if your product can be showcased in 20 seconds, 10 seconds, or 6 seconds. The second point is recording. Many of you ask me, where do you get ideas for recording, and how do I record my videos? So I'm going to explain it. Where do I get ideas? Basically from TikTok. The wheel has already been invented. You don't have to reinvent it. What you need to do is look at competitors. See what sets them apart. See what people are saying if they like the product. See how you can improve upon competitors' videos. And analyze all the videos you see about the product. Why does this one get views? Why does this one not get views? What's the difference between one that doesn't have views and one that does? What are people's opinions? What are people not saying? You have to analyze everything. Many of you ask me to make a tutorial on how to record products, but I can't do that. Basically, you and I don't have the same product. So if I teach you how to record a product, it will be useless because it won't be the same for yours. Many of you are asking how I make my videos from Spain get shown in the United States. It's valuable information that I can't provide for free. And I offer a course, a mentorship, where I teach my students how to make videos for the United States, create viral videos, set up stores that convert and make money, create and analyze videos. I teach them everything to make their videos go viral and make money. What I can do is provide you with the link to my course in the description. I repeat, this is valuable information, and many people don't even sell it because they know that the more they sell, the more competition they'll have. So I can't teach you how to record. What I can tell you is to consume a lot of TikTok, as all the information is there. No one will tell you how to record because the video structure is not the same for every product. The most important thing about recording is to experiment. You have to try different clips, scenes, and product approaches. In other words, don't stick to one video style. You need to change and see what works best. The third point is editing. Good editing keeps people watching the video for as long as possible, thereby increasing retention. So, what we need to consider when editing are speeds, transitions, hooks, zooms, and text. These are points I recommend should be in your videos. The most important are the hooks. There are 3 types of hooks: visual, textual, and auditory. The visual hook makes people stop scrolling and watch your video. The textual hook provides context and connects with the video. The auditory hook adds more excitement to what's happening in the video. All 3 are very important. Some videos may have only one hook, some may have all 3, and some may have none. So please use hooks wisely, as they are crucial. Once you have the hooks, you need to see if you can add zooms or if a different speed works well. All of this depends on the product. You need to tap into the emotion of the product. It's crucial to understand that if the product evokes anger, give it that sense of anger with more speed and saturation. You can't make a sentimental product go super fast because it's not appropriate. You have to understand how to capture the emotion of your product, whether it's joy, anger, sentimentality, excitement, or a hippie vibe. Whatever it may be. Find that emotional aspect of your product. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope it helps you in the future. If you have any questions, comments, doubts, or recommendations, please write to me in the comments or on Instagram, or simply join our Discord and message me there. So that's it for now.